stop fooling yourself. Because last year you people promised us that you will be studying diligently for your IIT and NEST examination. However, you yourself failed to comply with your own statement. Now you are asking us how can we help you with materials etc. so that you can get a good score in your IIT and NEST examination this year. Well, for those who do not know, Sayastra is well known for its top rankers in these premier research institutes like in NISER Bhubaneswar and CBS Mumbai. 50% of the students who get admission in these institutes are from Sayastra. In 7 IISers, we have 20 to 25% students who actually studied from us and went there, and in IISc 20 plus selections are from our institute itself. Now, for all of you who are actually looking for a pocket-friendly way to prepare, we are still here to help you. All you have to do is just listen and follow the guidance, because all the materials will be provided to you by us. The only thing that you have to do right now is to study as hard as you can, because you hardly have 2 months left for your preparation. We are giving you a compiled data where you can study from, and trust me, if you are able to finish all those materials diligently and you work hard even right now, you can get a good rank, or you can actually secure very, very good marks in your IIT and NEST examination. Now, all you have to do is pick up your mobile phones and download Sayastra's app. If you are an Android user, you have to download it from the Play Store. And if you are an iOS user, you can download our app from the App Store. Now I will tell you where actually you can find that compiled material so that you can also boost your preparation. So after downloading your app on your mobile phones or tablets, wherever you're comfortable, all you have to do is open the app and you have to log in. After you register, you log in. All you have to do is click on your name. Okay, so you'll have an alphabet. Say suppose my name starts with P. Alright, so I'll click on the P, which is on the left hand side top corner, and from there I will go there in your free materials. Now the free materials are actually divided into 3 parts. First is your document, the second is your videos, and the third is your test. For you to understand the pattern of any entrance exam, the most important thing is that you need to know the PYQs. Without actually studying the PYQs, solving the PYQs, there is no way that you can secure a good rank in your entrance exam. Now if you are preparing for your ISI CMI, your NEST or your IIT, all the PYQs are actually given in the document section of the app. Okay, now this is about the document. So you have syllabus, you'll have trend analysis, you have sample books also, you have cutoffs, counseling for IISc, IIT, your NEST, and you have PDF of all YouTube videos, you have strategy and analysis. Okay, so all these informations, IIT one-shot lecture notes are given, Maha Revision lecture series revision is also given there. So all these things will be there in the documents. Now if you click on the video part, in the video section, you will find one-shots of 2025 for PCMB. If you open it, you'll actually see for biology, chemistry, maths and physics one-shot best last-minute lecture revision. Now, remember these are revision notes. Okay, if you have completed your syllabus, after completion of your syllabus and solving the NCERT, going through the NCERT, then you will come back to the revision for a quick revision, for a quick recap, so that you can actually complete the entire syllabus in just one go. Okay, then you'll have 50 most important questions, you have free workshops or live event recordings. Then you also have toppers interaction session with AIR1 in your IIT 2023-2021. And there are some demo classes given, and there is a folder where you have how to prepare for biology in last 20 days for your IIT. So all these video links are actually given in that folder. Now coming to the test part, okay, which is very important. After you've completed your syllabus, your revision is done, everything is done, comes the test. Now here you have a total of 4 folders. First is your IIT NEST mock test books, okay, where you will be getting 1 attempt to actually, solve these questions, and you have free mock tests. In that also you have 4 folders. One is for your IIT, one is for your NEST, one is for your ISI CMI, and the other is your IACS practice test. Then you have your CUET book, free mock tests also for physics, biology, chemistry and mathematics. And you have a free mega mock test for 2026, where again you are allowed only 1 single attempt. Now all these facilities are there in the app itself. When you will open the app and see, you will find a lot of material that is actually compiled and it is given to you. So you don't have to go anywhere else for any other material. And trust me, if you are able to diligently do these questions, if you're able to diligently revise, you can definitely still get a good rank or a good score in your IIT and NEST exam. So do not waste any further time because you hardly have 2.5 months left for your IIT and NEST examination. Download the app right now and you can actually get all these materials in your phone and you can easily secure good marks in your IIT and NEST exam, because Sayastra is the only institute who actually prepares students for your IIT and NEST examination all across India. So if you have any further queries, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you want to contact us directly, you can find support team's contact details in the pinned comment section below. And if you have any queries, you can leave your queries in the comment section. We will definitely revert back. And do not waste more time because you hardly have any time left. Please start preparing seriously and you can also get a good rank so that you can reach your dream research institute this year itself. So all the best and we'll see you in your dream research institute.